In this video, I'll show you how you can fix a Steam game won't launch on your PC. Now, first step is we want to head over to Steam and press on Library. Now in here, what we want to do is select a game that won't launch. And let's say for me, it's Counter-Strike. Then what I want to do is right click on it, head over to Properties and find Installed Files. From in here, I want to try and verify integrity of game files. So you want to press on this and it will check for any issues. Close it down and try again. If this doesn't work, what you can do is try and close down Steam completely, which means go down here, right click on Steam and exit Steam. Now, if this still doesn't work, you can try and restart your computer. And as a last resort, you can try and run Steam as an administrator. Once you've tried all of these, if there is still not an issue solved, my best bet is for you to uninstall Steam and simply install it again. You can also do it with the game, but usually if the game doesn't work, it depends. If the other games works, then you should just try and uninstall the game. If none of the games work, then try and uninstall Steam. Now, I really hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.